Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Advanced Micro Devices. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 22nd of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 2nd of May, 2025, our system has recognized Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.02. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 56.6%. Since we initially classified Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate 55 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.03% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock is situated in the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that a further increase within this trend is anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 61.12% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 47.43% and 70.22%. In terms of a longer horizon, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 20.58%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 65.92% to negative 17.92% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $52.73 and $127. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline, Advanced Micro Devices stock price down 1.45% on Tuesday. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price fell by 1.45% on the last day, Tuesday, the 22nd of July, 2025, from $157 to $154.72. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.61%, ranging from a day low of $149.34 to a day high of $156.23. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 12.26% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 10 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This may be an early warning, indicating that the risk could increase slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 48 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $7.47 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $174.05, and the lowest price was $76.48. Currently, the price is 11.11%, or $19.33, below the 52-week high, and 31.93%, or $72.58, below the all-time high on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price reached $227.30. Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, experienced a challenging day in the market, with its stock declining by 1.5% during mid-afternoon trading. However, there appears to be a silver lining as analysts express optimism regarding the company's future. Bernstein has notably increased its price target for AMD from 95 to 140, emphasizing the company's advancements in artificial intelligence hardware, a rapidly growing sector. Notably, Cathie Wood has taken an interest in AMD, incorporating it into her ARK Invest portfolio, which reflects confidence in the company's long-term potential among discerning investors. Additionally, recent geopolitical developments have allowed AMD to resume chip exports to China, a crucial market for the company. This could enhance sales and revenue in the near term. Furthermore, AMD's strategic positioning within the AI ecosystem continues to draw attention, particularly with the launch of a monetization platform for its AI graphics processing units designed to accelerate revenue generation. Overall, while AMD's stock has faced a slight decline today, robust analyst support and substantial opportunities in the AI sector may propel the stock price higher in the long term as these developments progress. Analysts' ratings. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup gave Advanced Micro Devices a hold grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Advanced Micro Devices an overweight grade with an upgrade action. On the same day, Wolfe Research gave Advanced Micro Devices an outperform grade with an upgrade action. On that Thursday, HSBC also rated Advanced Micro Devices with a buy grade and an upgrade action. Earlier, on Tuesday, the 1st of July, 2025, Bernstein reported a reduced grade for Advanced Micro Devices with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Advanced Micro Devices stock a general neutral rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. For return on investment, the analysts also provide a neutral rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, the 17th of July, 2025, and so far it has fallen by 3.55%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, often referred to as MACD. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Thus, the stock should be monitored more closely. There are some positive signals as well, which may have an influence on short-term developments. The Advanced Micro Devices stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is also a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal for the stock, providing a positive outlook. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $155.86. In the event of a decline, the stock will find support from the long-term average at approximately $135.36. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, whereas a breakdown below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 20 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 56 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 55 days ago. Looking at the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal 62 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 50 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 39 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $127.10 and $126.39. There's a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this instance, Advanced Micro Devices finds support just below today's level at $127.10. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $126.39 and $117.72. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock moved $6.89 between its high and low points, which represents a change of 4.61%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.31%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's briefly review some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. The notably high PE ratio indicates that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of August, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates set at 470,000. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can substantially influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for advanced micro devices. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for advanced micro devices is at $155.61. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, advanced micro devices encounters its first support level at $127.10. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for advanced micro devices from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by papermaster Mark D., who bought and sold 35,996 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 12.515. In total, insiders purchased 623,620 shares and sold 817,350 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $148.99, which reflects a decrease of 3.71%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. There is currently a sell signal triggered by a pivot top identified 3 days ago. Is advanced micro devices stock a good buy? Several indicators are signaling a negative outlook, which we believe will impact the company's development over the coming days and possibly weeks. However, we see today's price level as a potential buying opportunity, and we anticipate that the price will increase during or by the end of this 3-month period. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 23rd of July, we expect advanced micro devices to open lower by $1.29, starting at $153.43. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. It is important that you do not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.